Welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first guys, we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button. To click it and then enter your model number of your motherboard B850M DS3H ICE, and then hit enter. Click on the product B850M DS on click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required, but Windows 10, 11, both operating system installations, driver installations same. LAN driver, this is LAN driver, and click to download. Then it is done, and just single click open and double click on the XC. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed.